ocean. I'm gonna go look like a seal and see if I can find somebody. But I thought if I just added some Jaws music, get y'all a little anticipated, see what was about to happen, and nothing happened. I was just chilling out there.
Maybe not.
Nope. It's about where they. If the good one comes, it's like right here.
Yeah, I noticed that from out there. I was trying to see where they were starting. That's probably a go, maybe. Dang it.
It's leading up to something though. That one. Look at that one out there.
Oh, right, we're dead. We're gonna die.
Oh man, he calmed down.
Come on, break.
Dang it.
Oh, God.
I can feel it. Oh yeah. Come on.
This is it.
Come on.
This is it.
Ah.
Oh, I'm so
Here we go.
sad.
Here we go. Here we go. This is it. Get forward. Ah, dang it. It was right there. It was right there. Dang, look at that one down there. They're getting it.
Shame.
Why are we in this certain spot?
It's like we're in between two good sections of wave. Sadly.
One of them's gonna surprise us.
I kind of hope it does.
That ain't no break.
Oh, it's not gonna break. Oh, God!
Look at that one out there. Oh, Lord.
Oh, come on. Please come over here.
What are you doing?
Come on.
Dang it! It was literally break right there.
Maybe we just need to step on some. Oh, it broke like right next to it.
You got it, David. Got a little bit. Got a little bit. Huh? Hurry up. You know how to do it? Oh, Lord. Yeah. Good? You lost them? They fell off? Alright. Here comes another one. Poor Jamie, dude. These waves, she's only like 5'2", and these waves were hitting her in the head every time. So after that, she was like, nah, no more boogie boards for me. One and done. You like them? She never wears them things, and then gonna be like, I'm gonna wear them while I boogie board. Gotta beat him. Oh. Okay, yeah, cool. Look. Alright, that's it? Alright, this is it right here, this one. Oh my gosh. Come on. Dude, it like took me and then like surprise attack and like woo.
I stopped with my knees. There's a fishing line above your head.
Oh my gosh.
It's not it. I want a buddy cop movie about two cops that work off of boogie boards. That's ridiculous. Two brothers in.
Boogie board. That's our call. We need little flashes to
pull anyone over.
Oh, sir, you're too far out.
The flag's yellow. I might warn you to go about 15 inches back to the beach. You know.
I'm gonna ask you to go back to the shore, and if you don't, I'm gonna come back out here and zip tie your legs.
Zip tie your legs. We're not liable for any accidental deaths.
Next on the Boogie Board Police.
That's a pretty good. That should be a thing. Reality TV show. Boogie Board Cops. We would not last one season.
What was that wave?
What's going on?
How was that one? Yeah, it's super big.
Whoa. I'm gonna do that next wave.
Wipe out. Trying to flip away.
This is gonna be sick. I'm gonna be riding the wave upside down. This is all we gotta do.
We really, yeah. I wish it was prize. I was gonna be there.
I mean, we would have got like a solid 1 foot of ride. Look at that. You see that? Waves aren't supposed to do that. You gonna break? It's gonna be a 180. You didn't break.
Yeah, this is me drowning right now. I'm totally kidding. And whenever that second wave came, it slammed me in the back of the head so hard that it flung my GoPro headset off. And that thing just started rolling and rolling down the waves. And it's steadily cooking this way because the current's so freaking hard. And so we're like running down the shoreline. Everybody's like, what's going on? We're like, my GoPro's out there. So we're all like going down. And the waves are getting so freaking fast that they were just stirring up sand, and there was just brown everywhere. So you can't see anything. You're just hoping you're keeping up with it while it's going down there. And this is at 500%. So it was rolling super fast. And I sped it up so you could kind of see how far this thing went. And it finally cleared up. You can see in a second it's going to clear up and you can finally see the sand. And then you'll see me in the corner of the wave just looking down when I finally see it. So we decided we would go out for the night and end it with some old crab hunting, seeing how many we can find.
They take off.
Oh, there it is. Nope. He's like, alright, I'm having to sit. There. Oh, nope. Doesn't even.
I'll see y'all later. The boogie board police is out.